Welcome back to Land to House. Today I'm going to be trying out the Anewkodi AC1200 USB 3 wireless adapter. I'm out here in my workshop and the internet source is about 70 feet away. So we're going to see how well this adapter will pick up and hopefully bring internet out here to the shop. Let's open this up and see what's in the package here. There's the antenna portion of this. Just has threads on this end and it has an articulating arm here. So it looks like we should be able to spin that in the direction that we need to. And the other piece is this here. Has USB on this end, and then we'll be able to use our threaded piece right here. So let's go ahead and get that installed. And here's the contents of the package. Have the adapter itself, a driver's disc, some literature, and then the packaging material. Let's see how user-friendly the disc and driver's installation is. I'm going to stick that mini disc in the drive and see what that brings up for us. Okay, has an auto run. Install driver. This is a rather old machine and that took about 3 minutes, so not terrible there. Alright, go ahead and exit out of that and let's go ahead and get this installed. Okay, I'm going to pull the cap off the back of the USB. Go ahead and get that plugged up here. Turn it upright. There we go. Message indicates that it was successfully installed. I have good news. I typed in my password for the internet and it has a link quality of between 85 and 100% and a signal strength of over 90, so very good. That's a distance of about 70 to 75 feet from the router to this computer, so it's doing quite well. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out this internet wireless adapter, I have a link to that in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.